We have youth workers and activists from several European countries who came here to learn how they can use filmmaking in their work with young people who are neurodivergent. Upstream Stories is an NGO that specializes in participatory media methods. So we are based in Denmark, but we're pretty international, so we're like a network of trainers. It's sort of filmmaking that is really focused on giving people space to talk about their own life stories. It's actually something that you can do with everyone, and we always try to keep it simple because it's not about the film, it's about the story. In Denmark we have a lot of local connections. We can do local workshops, and it's really important for us to do something for the community in Aarhus. But I also feel like this European component is something very interesting because we kind of want to spread the method further across Europe. There's a lot of this intercultural exchange going on. They're really different, so sometimes they really have to confront themselves with different ways of living and to see, okay, maybe I do it like this, you do it like this. It's cool.
I'm from Spain. There's people from Portugal, Greece. There's people from all over the countries of Europe.
So the story is that before we actually had this here, we got in touch with different schools and organizations across Europe to find who would be interested in the method. We also use this thing that's called Salto. It's like a European Union tool for youth workers to exchange ideas and cooperate. So that we have a network of several organizations who are already very committed to the project. To have this really big network through this Erasmus program is actually really beneficial for us as a small NGO. It's a very good opportunity for us to grow professional because we can test our ideas in a smaller scale and then to upscale them and to make them into something bigger.
When people come together from various different types of cultural backgrounds, we always find a lot of things that we have in common, and that builds our capacity to perceive the world as a bigger place, but also not that big that we can't connect to each other.
There's a lot of beauty in giving people space to share their stories because this is how you build a community.